Hello, fellow Quilt Path or Quilter's Creative Touch owner. Are you ready to take your computerized quilting skills to the next level? Well, I have some exciting news for you. I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our brand new video series, So You've Bought a Quilt Path, Now What? Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your techniques, this comprehensive series has something for everyone. Over the course of our series, we'll cover everything from the basics of preparing your quilt for loading, to advanced techniques like customizing quilting zones and exploring the power of Quilt Path's features. Plus, we'll dive deep into topics like multi-placement of design, design selection, and even troubleshooting common computer quilting issues. But that's not all. We'll also unveil insider tips, tricks, and time-saving hacks to help you become a computer quilting master in no time. So whether you're a seasoned quilter or just starting out on your quilting journey, So You Bought a Quilt Path, Now What? Is your go-to resource for mastering the art of computerized long-arm quilting. Stay tuned for our first episode where we'll dive into the essential steps for preparing your quilt for loading. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get updates on when our videos are released. Until then, happy quilting!